Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making your Google Play Console account and paying the one-time $25 fee so you can publish. Once done, sign and export an Android app bundle. For optimal delivery, sign builds are required. Next, gather your assets, high-res icon, 2 to 5 screenshots, and a feature graphic, plus a hosted privacy policy URL because Google enforces privacy disclosures. Make sure your app targets the required API level, and that package name, version code, and version name are final before upload. Next, you populate the store listing with a clear title, a concise short description, and a full description that highlights why users should install. This improves conversion and discoverability. Then, select the app category, complete the content rating questionnaire, choose target countries, and set pricing or mark free. Note pricing changes affect all territories. Upload screenshots for phone and tablet, add localized text where useful, and include an optional promo video so users immediately understand the experience. You should run internal and closed testing first to catch crashes and permission issues. Use feedback to iterate. Once stable, create a release in Play Console, review the pre-launch report, and choose a phased rollout or immediate production release depending on risk. After publishing, monitor crash reports, Android vitals, and user reviews so you can patch rapidly. If your release is rejected or crashes, check the Play Console logs and deobfuscation mapping to fix stack traces. Re-upload a hotfix with an incremented version code to resolve it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.